Oppo to unveil Find N2 and Galaxy Fold competitor. Oppo has announced that its 4th annual tech event, Inno Day 2022, will be held virtually on 14th of December. The theme will be, Empowering a Better Future. According to the previous reports, the Find N2 and Find N2 Flip Foldable are likely to be unveiled during this event. That makes sense given that the original Find N made its premiere at Inno Day last year. Inno Day 2022 details were revealed in a press release. It mentions that the event will feature new cutting-edge technologies developed under Oppo's 4 smart initiatives, including smart entertainment, smart productivity, smart health, and smart learning. The event will be streamed live on Oppo's official website starting at 8 a.m. GMT on 14th of December. For more information, check the description below. If you like this video, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos.